As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
The Piano Encyclopedia Presents the Interactive Harmony Guides. The Harmony Guides offer 1,000 interactive animations and 280 pages of interactive content that will help you to easily improvise and create your own music by harmonizing all the most common scales used in music. Whatever sound you want to create, romantic, suspenseful, cheerful, or anything else, you can learn how in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Find your scale. Begin by picking a scale to determine the sound you want to create. Step 2. Create your melody. The interactive book tells you which keys to use and which to avoid to help you compose the perfect melody. Step 3. Create your accompaniment. Once you're happy with your melody, the book tells you which chords to use to accompany your new melody. Step 4. Smile and play your new composition. Your creation is ready for an audience. Prepare yourself for the applause. The Jazz and Blues Harmony Guides. Born out of a mix of African and European musical traditions, jazz music resonates with people and stirs their emotions. This book will help you understand the specific scales used mainly in jazz and blues. You will be playing your favorite jazz and blues songs and even impressing with your own compositions in no time. The Cheerful Music Harmony Guides. This book, which covers all the scales in the major keys, is the best place to start with creating your own music. You will be able to appreciate why certain songs give you energy or sound cheerful and uplifting. An understanding of compositions with the major keys will enable you to begin making your own bright music and prepare you for more advanced harmonies. The Melancholic Music Harmony Guides, where you are looking to create songs that are somber, dark, mysterious, or romantic. This is the book for you. You will gain a deep understanding of why particular songs make you feel the way they do, and how to craft your own songs with the same emotional and atmospheric effects. The Dramatic Music Harmony Guides. Have you ever paid attention to the background music in a horror movie? The arrangement of the music creates a creepy ambience that adds so much to the experience. In this book, you will see how to work with the scales used to compose music that is definitely out of the ordinary. With a deep understanding of the harmonic minor, you will be making your own dramatic and spooky compositions frighteningly soon. Start improvising and creating your own music in 4 simple steps, using the Piano Encyclopedia's interactive harmony guides. Order now and start your musical journey.